Are you guys hearing this? This sounds like from BBCCS. Listen.
Welcome to Joe's Ultimate Bus Ride!
I know you just hear that. Listen again.
Welcome to Joe's Ultimate Bus Ride!
Yep, that's all. Now, here is the bloopers from behind the scenes. Up me saying something. Enjoy. Everyone, are you hearing this? Everyone, are you hearing this? And that all from the bloopers. I know it was funny that you just heard something in the background and said, yes, sir. Then, yeah, I just started laughing after that. Yeah. And yeah, this video was made by Mystery Man 12. These credits are going to everyone who is watching this and who I am subscribed to. That's all. Thanks for watching and bye bye. Stay safe out there.